Good afternoon, students. Now we shall discuss about phase velocity, group velocity. After then, relation between phase velocity and group velocity. So now first we discuss phase velocity. So the phase velocity of a single wave propagates in a medium is phase velocity or wave velocity. The phase velocity of a wave is the rate at which the phase of a wave propagates in space, or the phase velocity is the velocity with which the planes of constant phase advance through the medium, or another, the velocity of a single wave propagates in a medium is the phase velocity. Simply, wave velocity is a phase velocity. So wave displacement formula, that is y is equal to a into sine of omega t minus kx, where a is amplitude of a wave, t is time, omega is angular frequency, that is omega is equal to 2 pi into nu, where nu is the frequency of a wave. So wave and k is wave propagation constant, that is k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, where lambda is wavelength of a wave. So for a constant phase, so this in this wave displacement equation, so this represent a phase. So for a constant phase, so that is omega t minus kx is equal to constant. So now differentiate this equation with respect to time. So omega minus k into dx by dt is equal to 0. So from this k into dx by dt is equal to omega. So dx by dt is equal to omega by k. So the rate of displacement of a wave, so that is a phase velocity or a group velocity, or another, the ratio of angular frequency to wave propagation constant is called phase velocity. Now group velocity. So group velocity means a wave pocket moves with its own velocity is called group velocity. Wave pocket means it consists of a number of waves, a group of waves. So group velocity Vg is equal to d omega by dk, that is equal to omega minus omega dash by k minus k dash. So the velocity with which the energy in the group is transmitted, known as a group velocity. Once again, a wave pocket moves with its own velocity is called group velocity. Relation between phase velocity and group velocity. So by the definition, the phase velocity Vp is equal to omega by k. So from this, angular frequency omega is equal to Vp into k. Vp into k. So differentiate with respect to k. So therefore d omega by dk is equal to, so Vp constant plus k value 1, so Vp into 1 plus k into dv suffix p by dk. Here now removing the k and dk, so wave propagation constant k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, so where lambda is wavelength of a wave. Now differentiate with respect to time, differentiate with respect to lambda. So dk by d lambda is equal to minus 2 pi by lambda square. So from this dk is equal to minus 2 pi by lambda square into d lambda. So k is equal to 2 pi by lambda, dk is equal to minus 2 pi by lambda square into d lambda. So values to substitute in equation 1. So group velocity, so here this one, so Vg is equal to d omega by dk is equal to, so v suffix p plus 2 pi by lambda, so here, so this value substitute instead of k, so this value substitute instead of dk, so therefore 2 pi by lambda into dv suffix p by minus 2 pi by lambda square into d lambda. So this equation write like this: v suffix p plus 2 pi by lambda. So this comes now reciprocal. Therefore minus lambda square by 2 pi into dvp by d lambda. Here 2 pi cancel, lambda cancel. Here minus lambda having. So the therefore V suffix G is equal to V suffix P is minus lambda dVp by d lambda. So this is the relation between group velocity and phase velocity. So the equation 3 shows that the group velocity is always less than phase velocity in a dispersive medium. So in a dispersive medium, all waves does not travel with the same speed. In non-dispersive medium, waves of all wavelengths travel with the same speed. Means all waves moves with same speed. Therefore, Vp and phase velocity is equal to constant. Phase velocity is nothing but a wave velocity. So all waves moves with constant velocity. Phase velocity is constant. Therefore, Vp is equal to constant. So dVp by d lambda is equal to 0. So this value substitute in equation 3. So V suffix G is equal to V suffix P minus lambda into 0. So this value substitute here. So minus lambda into 0. Therefore Vg is equal to Vp. So the phase velocity or wave velocity is equal to group velocity in non-dispersive medium. In dispersive medium, so the group velocity is always less than phase velocity. So dispersive medium directly says that all waves does not move with the same speed. In non-dispersive medium, all waves travel with the same speed. Means the phase velocity is always equal to group velocity. So thank you, students. Now see the answer from starting to ending. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget it. Thank you, students. Subscribe my channel.